Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This particular coin here is a coin from the Isle of Man. What date was it issued? Right. It's an Isle of Man coin. It was issued in 1985, which is the date down just underneath the Queen's neck. It's a large portrait of her, and this is the coin itself. This is the Peel Town Commissioners coin. It's a part of a Isle of Man, and it's called the Manx Town series. The portrait on the obverse side is Arnold Machin's second portrait. This here, inside this elliptical cartouche area, shows a view of Peel with the ships within this elliptical garter cartouche. You have the ships themselves there. This coin was issued by the Pobjoy Mint. There are no mintage figures available, and when I was having a look I couldn't see an awful lot of information about the Manx Town series. I will be doing some further research, hoping to find out and hopefully getting some more of the Manx Town series £1 coins. What do you think of this coin? Is there enough detail in here, particularly in the cartouche area, for you to say, yeah, I like this and I'd like to have it in my collection? Tell me down below what you think. Would you want it in your collection? I saw it and I thought I quite liked it, and I took a chance and bought it, and I've got no regrets. I would like to see the rest of the series and possibly get the rest of the series, being the completionist I am. So there may well be others to follow. If you are a returner, I would like to make an appeal to you all. For those of you who are returning and are part of the 50% who haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I would be absolutely delighted if you gave me the thumbs up. The thumbs up, hey, there you go. And also subscribe to the channel. Actually, subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you anything. So I'd love to see you all along here and to join me in my ongoing quest through coins, banknotes, collectibles and also militaria. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you can enjoy. Give me the thumbs up, and as I said before, give me the thumbs up, and subscribing doesn't cost you anything. For the rest of you who are either subscribed or are other coin hunters or coin tubers, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Thank you for staying until the end, and from me, until we meet up again, which I hopefully won't be too long on this channel, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.